We'll guide you through how to turn off PIN security on the Android lock screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So here we are on my Android phone. If I then go and press the side button, we go and see the lock screen here, and I can go and swipe up on it. Now I have to go and enter in the PIN. So what I'll do is go and enter in my PIN like so, and then I can go and press OK, and then I'm onto the lock screen. So it's a bit of a process in order to go and start using my phone. So what we can do is go and turn off the PIN security. What you can do is you can go and change it to another method, for example, a password, or you can actually do a pattern, so you can draw on your screen a certain pattern to unlock it, or we can go and change it to nothing. So when you go and press that side button, I'll go and turn it off and turn it back on, you get straight to the home screen. So there's some different ways we can go about this. Personally, I do like to go and have some type of method on there because then it just goes and protects my data. For example, my messages, my browsing history, apps, loads of different files on my phone. If there's nothing on there, anybody can go and access it. So you may want to consider that. But you can go and ultimately turn off the security completely. And then as soon as you go and press the side button, you're on your phone and you can go and start using it. Because you may be in the situation of where actually you don't have much personal stuff on here. You literally just use it to go and make calls. And so therefore, it's understandable that you may not want a PIN, as it just adds a bit of process starting to use your phone. So we can actually go and turn this off, and I'm going to walk you through this step by step. But do just consider it is going to have no security if you do completely turn it off and not change it. But we'll guide you through it. So to get started, what you need to do is go and swipe up on your phone. And then what you need to do is go and find the settings app. By default, it should be on the first page, but you can always go and swipe across to go and find it. And you can always go and use the search function at the top and go and type in settings. So in this case, I'll go and open it up like so. Then what you need to do is you want to go down here, and we're looking for the option for lock screen. What you can always do is go and press search at the top if you're struggling to go and find it. And you can go and type in lock. And that should be enough to go and find it. Just be patient when it loads. It takes a bit of time, as it, of course, because it searches your entire settings. And then you can go and see in top hits, we've got lock screen. So I can go and tap there. You're going to see some different options here. But what we can do is go to the top, and you can go and find screen lock type. But what you can consider doing is extending the lock. So if I go and enter in the PIN here, I'll press continue. You can go and make it so your phone will go and stay unlocked. So it will keep this device unlocked when it's with you. So this is a great option, as it will go and recognize when you're holding the device, you're near home or another trusted place, or your watch or another trusted device is nearby. This could be a good alternative to completely disabling it, as then there is some type of security, and it's going to go and keep it unlocked when it's with you, but when it's not, it'll go and be locked. That is an alternative. But if you want to go and completely turn it off, you want to go and find the option for screen lock type and tap there. Then what we can do is go and enter in our current PIN. So I'll go and do that now. Press continue. And then here we are. So you're going to go and see the different methods, for example, password, pattern, or swipe. So you could go and change it to one of these if you preferred, and you've got biometrics as well. But you could go and change it to one of these if you prefer, and then you still have some type of security if you just don't like using the PIN. But if you want nothing to be on there, then what we can do is go and select none. Wait, and it will then take you back here. So now that it's set to none, you're going to find or press the side button to go and turn it off, and then tap it, and you're immediately on the home screen. You don't have to go and enter in the PIN or another type of security method. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Of course, as I said before, there is now no security on your device, but that's it. I look forward to help you again in the future with another useful how-to.